What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth coming at you guys to show you guys how my kitchen sink is organized, or how I organize my kitchen sink. But this right here, this look right here is what you would normally see in my kitchen. If I don't have my Caddy, which is this old thing right here that I don't really like. I got this off Amazon and I don't like it. I used to have it on my sink all the time, and it's just, I don't know, I can't tell you why I don't like it. I just don't like it. It's big and it's bulky, and I put big things in and I can still see, like, I want it to be closed. I don't know, y'all. I just don't like it. So what I did was I went to, and oh, I know why I don't like it, because when I used to put my strainers and stuff like that in here, like this, I would have to reach down in there, and I don't like reaching down in like stuff that I can't see, because this don't have a drain on it, and it don't, like, the water will sit in it and it stink, and it just not, like, I don't know who designed that, but it's kind of flawed. And this has a drain, but it just like drips to the bottom of this, so what's the point if it don't like come out into the sink? So anyways, I don't like it. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I found another one. Actually, I looked on Amazon to see if I could find another one, and they were like $14.99 for something that I was looking for, just something flat and simple. $14.99 for a silicone sink tray display, whatever you call it, but like a Caddy is what I typed in. It was $14.99. I was like, And plus, this big old bottle of dish detergent is getting on my last nerve, sitting up here in my visual. I can't stand it. Ever since I remodeled my kitchen and redecorated my kitchen, I do not like it anymore. I didn't remodel it because I still got these cabinets, but if I knew how to do that, let me learn, girl. Let me learn. So, I don't like the color of this for one. And they don't have any like cute detergent bottles. It's not see-through. You always have to see the color. And of course they don't have white detergent that'll match, or they don't have like teal or whatever my kitchen color is. So I said I'm gonna go with the old shampoo bottle. I was getting my shampoo bottles, and I bought this from the Dollar Tree, $1, not $14.99. So I said I'm gonna use this. Eventually, well, not on this video, I'm going to probably drill a few holes in the bottom of it, so that way if it does, so it won't hold water like a reservoir down there, just a puddle of, you know, water when things get wet and stuff. So I got this. So I said I'm going to get rid of all this clutter, put this up there. It is a very, very perfect size to fit right here on my counter. So I'm going to still have my soap. I use my coupon for Bath and Body Works, and I went and got one of these bling soap display soap holders or whatever you call it, and I'm gonna put my soap in there just like that, and y'all can see the bling. So that is pretty. It looks good sitting in there like that. And for my dish liquid, to get rid of this, the main reason for this video, I went and got me a bottle. I was experimenting with some bottles I already had at the house and wanted to see how it fit or whatever in there, and I was using like different types of bottles that I could use, because the bottle on Amazon was $14.99, and it was cute and everything, but people did have complaints like the hole was too small to put the soap in, and I didn't have time for all of that. And I wasn't finna spend no $14 on no bottle. So what I did is I went and measured all the bottles at the Dollar Tree with my hands or whatever, and I ended up getting this Paw Patrol Bubble Bath bottle. That's what this is. Paw Patrol Bubble Bath. I had already told the things off before the video, but y'all, this is what it looked like in the store. And it had a blue top, and I changed it, so don't tell nobody. So I took the paper off, and it looks like this, just perfectly white, and you know, you can't see through it. The reason why I didn't choose a see-through bottle, because I don't want to see the color of the detergent in my view when I just look at the kitchen. It's just for looks purposes, y'all. Y'all don't got to do all this if y'all find y'all detergent sitting on y'all sink. Don't do this, okay? This is just for the people who, like me right now, who don't want it to mess up my color scheme. I worked hard in here, and I want this big old green bottle like in my way, like in my vision. Get out. So just fill it up in here, and like I said, I got white because you can't see through it. And it's easy to refill because the hole is wide enough, so I can just put the whole detergent in there. And I could bling it out if I want to. Not necessarily because it's a squeeze bottle, but I think though I'm gonna bling out this top one day, just around this edge, or put something around the top part, and so it can match that. But either way, it still look good by itself. So I don't have to have that green, hideous green detergent bottle up there. Okay, so that's what that's gonna look like together. Not looking like this, okay? Can y'all see like what I'm talking about? Am I being a little too extra? No, I'm not. Okay, whatever. I'm just being me. And this, I traded out my red one because, y'all, the kitchen was red, so the red kind of just like went with it, and not anymore. So I just picked up another one from the Dollar Tree, a silver one this time, so it can go with my color scheme. And I still just got my pot scrubber. You can also store that in there, and it's big enough to store all of that in there, and I ain't got to worry about this big old thing here dipping down in that. Like, it was so big, like, no, I can see it and it all look decent. And I'm gonna drill some holes in here. This does not slide, y'all. It has rubber feet under the bottom that you, let me see, I'm gonna show y'all the rubber that's under the bottom, so it won't slide. It won't be sliding off of the sink. It's real lightweight. You would think that it will slide, but see, it got little rubber things under the bottom, so that way it won't slide around on your sink. It won't just slide off, because your stuff's gonna be in weighing it down, and it's not gonna slide off. So that's what I was coming to show you guys. You got to get all the stuff out of the sink. So that's what I was coming to show you guys. Yeah, I had to get rid of this thing here. So bye bye. I can keep that for like back stock in my pantry or whatever. So that is that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And that's all I gotta say in this video. And I will holler at y'all later. Bye.